Sell like hotcakes sounds delicious, but does it mean instant millions? Before you guess, let's learn 5 food idioms. Number 1, food for thought. It means something to think about carefully. Example, the teacher's question gave us food for thought. Number 2, the icing on the cake. It means a nice extra thing that makes something better. Example, good grades were great, but the prize was icing on the cake. Number 3, bring home the bacon. It means earn money for the family. Example, Dad works hard to bring home the bacon. Number 4, sell like hotcakes. It means sell very quickly. Example, the new phone sold like hotcakes on day 1.
Number 5, take it with a pinch of salt.
It means don't believe something completely. Example, he always exaggerates, so take it with a pinch of salt. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.